The year began with a balanced budget of rupees 3.506 trillion, with an IMF mandate primary surplus target of rupees 299 billion. The province faced a rupees 282 shortfall in NFC transfers, receiving only rupees 1,363 billion out of rupees 1,645 billion projected May 2025. Despite this, the government released rupees 666 billion in development funding, is on track to utilize rupees 500 billion by the year end, the highest ever development expenditure, will complete approximately 1,494 development schemes, another all-time high, allocated record high funds to health and education, transforming service delivery across Sindh. Mr. Speaker, despite daunting fiscal and economic pressures, the government of Sindh remains resolute and forward-looking. With discipline, vision and people's trust, we will continue delivering progress and prosperity across the province. So the government's top priorities, I will start with the health department with a motto of health for all. Like every year, the Sindh government has promised to deliver quality and free healthcare services to the people of the province. This year, the health budget was pitched at rupees 344 billion, which has been utilized for critical patient care and expansion services. We have ensured that every penny serves its rightful purpose, improving lives. I will list out the major institutes which have performed exceptionally well during the year. The NICVD has treated 1.4 million patients in the current financial year. And out of this, more than 10%, 160,000 are from other provinces. The key achievements include 10,000 plus emergency angioplasties, 1,450 pediatric heart surgeries, 333,760 OPD consultations. The services of NICVD are now extended to our sister province, our neighboring province of Balochistan in Quetta for pediatric care. The Sindh Institute of Cardiovascular Disease, SIVD, now has a network of 10 hospitals, 29 chest pain units, 14 cath labs, offering over 2 million treatments in the current financial year. This includes 31,852 angiographies, 1,608 adult heart surgeries, 1,618 pediatric interventions. Our hospital in Gambat, the Peer Abdul Qadir Shah Institute of Medical Sciences, is a center of innovation. Here, only in the current financial year, we have done 308 liver transplants with a total to date of 1,277 liver transplants, 44 transplants, kidney transplants in the current financial year, with a total of 344 to date, 51 bone marrow transplants, state-of-the-art liver tower, neuro complex, robotic surgeries, and jail ward have been completed. Another shining star in our health services is the Sindh Institute of Child Health and Neonatology, where we strive to save newborn lives across Sindh. The SICHN network has increased more than 700 beds across Karachi, Sakhar, Larkano, Benazirabad, and other locations. This is the largest network in the world for children's health. It has 262 incubators, 114 pediatric ICU beds, and 269 ventilators. As I said, no institute throughout the world who can boast numbers. Our Jinnah Postgraduate Medical Center, over the last 13 years, the bed capacity of JPMC, NICH and NICVT has almost doubled from 2,092 beds to 4,041 beds right now. We cater for an annual patient load of 4 million. The budget has been increased to rupees 32 billion. It's the only place in the world where free CyberKnife treatment is provided. We have, in August 2024, from the government of Sindh funds, added a third CyberKnife, which is the state-of-the-art machine and is being used to treat patients with cancer. There's construction underway for Bilkis Abdul Sattar Edi breast radiation bay, a woman-only radiotherapy unit, and renovations and robotic surgery units are added. Mr. Speaker, the extensive and inclusive investment in the health sector reflects our unwavering belief that access to health care is not a privilege but a right. The SIUT is a beacon of free, dignified health care through community-government partnership. SIUT, supported by the government of Sindh, stands today as South Asia's largest public sector health organization. Over the past 54 years, it has touched the lives of over 35 million patients across the country. With 1,600 beds, 82 departments, and approximately 400 dialysis machines, SIUT is the largest dialysis center in Pakistan, serving 30% of the country and 60% of Sindh's dialysis patients. It has performed over 7,500 free kidney transplants and provided lifelong care to patients. Some of SIUT's key milestones include 104,477 surgeries, including 759 robotic procedures, 238,152 dialysis sessions, 12.2 million lab tests, and 547,735 radiology tests, 28,350 cancer therapy sessions, 4.2 million patients treated free of cost this year across 10 centers, with 70% from Sindh. With US support, SIUT has significantly expanded. The Mehrunnisa complex undertakes 62,281 dialysis sessions and 4,586 surgeries. There's the Kathor Primary Health Center, the satellite dialysis units in Garden, Nazmabad and Shah Faisal, SIUT Sakhar, SIUT Larkano, and support to Nawabshah and Shikarpur, Institute of Urology and Transplant and 10-bed unit benefiting 2,389 patients. In collaboration with Indus Hospital and Health Network, we remain committed to universal healthcare access. With US support, Indus Hospital has been able to become one of Pakistan's largest children cancer center with 2,500 children treated annually. Indus now provides hundreds of cochlear implants, giving hearing impaired children a new life, leadership in prosthetics and knee replacement, emergency service treating thousands of trauma infections and accident patients daily, integrated maternal neonatal care reaching the most vulnerable women and newborn.